What's up, guys? This is Wallace Farm and Sawmill. I'm Tyler. I'm back with you again. Today we're gonna be doing something for fun. We're gonna take our boat out, do a little fishing. I'll do some background when we get out on the water and away from everybody launching here at the ramp or everything. But I built that boat about 3 years ago. I built it, and had some cypress from the sawmill up there, that black calf, the rail, gunnels all the way around. Anywho, let's get her going. All right, guys, we're getting out. Gonna take her out for a little spin. I figured I'd make it. This is like the second time this year. We went back in February one time catfishing, caught a couple fish. It's actually the second time this year, but it's been a little over a month since I've went out and done anything. So just getting her out, getting her used to going again. Old 90 Nissan on the back. She does about 34 to 36 miles per hour. It's a 20-foot bow to stern. I can't remember the beam. It's over 7 foot. It's a big boat, big wide boat. It's a any of you guys that have looked online into building wooden boats might have noticed, or might know, Spira Boats. It's actually one of his designs. So let's get her out and get her up and going. Wind might be a problem, noise wise, we'll see. Guys, we're back out of the wind. We're wind blown, and I am easing back into this bay. Little man's watching for stumps just ahead of us and clinging on for dear life up there. No, he's good. He's got him a rope held to it. We're easing back into this back little bay and just gonna, we're not set up really to fish today. We're just out playing and testing the boat out for the first time officially this year. So we're just easing back into this back bay to play around and see what's all back here. We've been back here and bass fish before. It's beautiful back here, and the wind's whooping out on the main channel and stuff, so we came back into here to be a little secluded out of the wind, and maybe we could fish around for a second. I don't know if I've ever brought this boat in particular back here, but it's very pretty back here. Oh, look, they got the same idea as us. All right, so we stopped in this little spot, just killing some time, playing around. Got our fishing poles out and decided we'd fish a little bit. Yeah. The wind's blowing like crazy. Watch the boat. We're just blowing sideways right now. I don't have a trolling motor on this boat. It's more set up for running catfishing and stuff like that usually is what we do. But we're just out playing today, so. Well, we swapped sides. We were right over there. And we moved back to over here.
Caught some grass.
Grass? What do you call, that's a, for, oh, so since we're mainly a sawmill channel, what do we call that type of fish that you caught there?
A limb brim.
Limb brim. Got that? That there is a limb brim. Now you have to do a lot of recording. I know for the guys out there that do a lot of hunting and fishing videos, there's probably a lot of footage that those guys go through to get, you know, their catches and everything. Look, guys, I didn't have the camera rolling. I know the wind's blowing like crap right now. But I did catch a little bass. We're going to turn him back, but thought that was pretty cool. All right, so we're starting to ease back out. We're done adventuring. Just catching the views as we go. Backing up back there?
Yeah.
I saw you back up a trailer at the boat ramp.